Boys, we're cooking. We're cooking. Oh, baby. To docks to Exville, which more than likely that's what he wants to do. I doubt he wants to go all the way to border.
Evolutionary.
Yep, I see him.
Why are you such a raptor?
He's going to docks.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
I think I just dropped him, dude. I see him.
Next to that. Second story.
He's dead. There's lasers everywhere. Whoop, whoop, whoop.